Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my SnackNation box for the month of August. To see what I got, stay tuned. Now before I even begin the video, first off I would like to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. I do all kinds of unboxings, fashion, makeup, food, and lifestyle boxes. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit that subscribe button down there and click on the like button. It would really help me if you like this video. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what Snack Club is, let me give you the quick little rundown. It's super simple and easy. You get 6 snacks sent to your house. You pay $1 for the box, $3.99 shipping and handling. So that's $5. You'll get it sent to your house. All they ask in return is that you fill out a quick 2 or 3 minute survey to let them know what you thought of the snacks. And next month you'll receive a next box for the same price. But if you don't fill out the survey, they will charge you $9.99 for the box. So definitely fill out the survey. I will leave a link down below if you're interested. It's fabulous. This is my second one. And so what I'm going to do with this video is, since this is my second box, I'm going to go over last month's box and tell you what I thought of it, and then we'll go ahead and we will open the second box. Now this is last month's box, and I wrote notes so I wouldn't forget to tell you guys what I thought of everything. Now my husband ate 5 out of the 6 snacks. I had 1. So I had him rate the snacks as he was eating them. So this was the first one, and this was the Aloha bar, and this was a peanut butter chocolate chip bar. And this one, I was like, oh, that sounds really, really great. But actually to him, he was not a fan of this. Let me see, look down at my notes here. Out of a score from 1 to 10, he only gave it a score of 4. He said that it breaks like a little piece of fudge when you eat it, soft and chewy, but he says it's a letdown in the flavor, not a strong flavor at all, and it had a bad aftertaste. So he didn't care for that one. So we'll put that one up there. And then the other product that he received last month, he tried this one, and this was Bonitos, and these were chips. They look like little tortilla chips, but they were made out of all beans. And I wasn't thinking much of this. But he gave this a score of 8 out of 10. He said it tasted like Fruit Loops to him. I tasted one, but I didn't taste Fruit Loops, but he did. He said it tastes like Fruit Loops with lime. So that was his experience, or his opinion of that one. Now here was the one that I ate, and this was called Hemp Yeah. And this was a dark chocolate almond sea salt bar. I tried this one on camera, if you remember, and I thought it was good, but not great. I wouldn't buy it. I gave it a score of 6. I ate it. I'm not going to throw it away. It wasn't gross or anything, but it's just not something I would crave or want or desire. Okay, and the next one out, number 4, was this, and these were Narn's graham crackers, and he ate these. And what did he say about these? Okay, these were oat graham crackers, and out of a score of 10, he gave this a score of 8. He said they were very good, and he said you could compare them to animal crackers that we had as kids. If you guys remember animal crackers, he said it had a very similar flavor. He enjoyed this. He ate all of them, and he was like licking his fingers when it was done. Okay, and then out was this one, and these were sprouted mung beans, and he gave this a score of 9. This was his second favorite item out of the box. He ate this down very quickly. He said it was a spicy trail mix. He said that's how you would compare it, like a trail mix flavor, but it was barbecue. Very good, gave it a 9, loved it. He would purchase this if he saw this in the store. But his favorite out of the box, that was number 2. This was his favorite, and this was the big shocker out of the box. This was mango dried fruit, and he loves dried fruit. But one of the ingredients in this one was aloe vera. And when we both saw that, I saw that, I'm like, ooh, aloe vera, dry snacks. No, he loved this. This was the best item out of the box, he said. He gives this a 10. He said the mango had good flavor and the aloe vera lemon lime was really very good. So he loved these. So the 2 favorites out of the box were these crunchers and the aloe snacks. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna get into the new box. And then next month, after we had time to eat it all, I'll let you know what we thought of those products. All right, so I'll put that right back there, and then I'll put the snacks over here as I open them. Okay, so here is the SnackNation card that you get in the box. It says rate your snacks and you save $5 off your next box. Remember, I leave the link down below if you're interested. So far, so good for me. I'm having fun with it and my husband likes it. So the first thing out is this one, and this is a double dot Dutch cookie, a caramel double Dutch cookie. And it says, our delicious stoop wafers are a perfect as, let me try that one again. Our delicious stoop wafers are perfect as a tasty snack anytime. So that looks yummy, caramel chocolate little cookies. So I say he's probably going to like that one. And then I told you he's a big lover of dried fruit. And I think that's what this is. This is Real Twist strawberry candy. And it says, it's looking a little licorice, like red licorice. That's going to be my guess. So it's going to be interesting to see what he thinks about that. He is a licorice fan, so we will definitely see what he says about that. Now remember last month one of his favorite items were sprouted mung beans, and this is sprouted quinoa, maple flavor. But he don't like maple flavor. He loves maple pancake syrup, but he has a thing about artificial maple. He says he can taste it's artificial and he don't like it, and I love it. So I might end up trying this one. But it's a granola, happy granola, sprouted maple quinoa. So that looks yummy for me. I'm gonna try that one. And then a Kind bar. I've been pretty happy with a lot of the Kind bars that I have actually bought. I am a fan of those. And this one is a chewy dark chocolate chunk, healthy grain, 5 super grains, 100% whole grain, chewy with a crunch. So that sounds awesome. I love a good Kind bar. And then we have another bar, which this is from Paleo Caveman, which yum, I'm probably gonna try this one. So this is probably gonna be, I'm gonna try 2 and I'll give him the rest, the other 4. This is a dark chocolate coconut almond. He doesn't care for dark chocolate, so, and I like dark chocolate and almond, so this is a promising, can't wait to try that one too. And then the last item out of the box, oh, he'll like this one probably, as long as they taste good, of course. This is Harvest Snaps, and these are green peas snack crisps. So they look like little green peas. So $100 or $100 calorie pack. And he loves these. He loves, oh, what's those one things he really, oh, he goes crazy for them. Hold on. Oh, I'm drawing a blank right now, guys. Wasabi peas. That's it. He loves wasabi peas. So that's kind of my first impression of that. Okay. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to try it for $5. It's fun. You get to try different foods. I mean, these things you're not going to find in your regular grocery store, and you get to try new flavors. So that's why I'm enjoying it, and my husband's enjoying it too. Okay, guys, and I will leave a review of what we thought of these products next month. So I'll see you then. Remember, hit the like button, guys. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.